Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple and delicious chicken filling for samosa. Don't go anywhere. For the filling, you need some onions, a lot of onions, because this adds sweetness to your filling. You also need some spring onions, your purple onions, your cabbage, and also your carrots. The full ingredients will be in the description box below. You also need some chicken. This has been minced already. You can do this using your blender or just chop it into smaller bits. Now let's get started. In your pan, go with some vegetable oil. Add your onions, the white onions, the purple onions. Saute these until they are soft and translucent. Next, go with your minced chicken. Stir into the onions until everything is properly mixed. Next, you want to cook this until you see the water seeps out of the chicken, until it looks exactly like this. This is the time to go in with your seasoning. For the seasoning, I'll be using some ginger garlic powder, onion powder, some chili flakes. Mix that until everything is fully combined. Next, go in with your bouillon cubes, your salt. Mix that until everything is properly combined together. It's time for the veggies. Go in with your cabbage, your carrots, and mix that until everything is incorporated fully. Now you want to cook this on low heat. Now keep stirring to avoid the vegetables burning or even the chicken burning, and you want to cook until there is no liquid left and it looks juicy, just like this. Now it's time to go in with the spring onions. Add your spring onions. Give that a stir and allow to cook for at least 30 seconds before taking it off the fire. Now transfer into your bowl or your tray to make this cool faster. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.